Dear teachers, lovely students, good morning. And praying to Goddess Mother Saraswati, I would like to express my views on the theme of this month of our school, C.V. Gupta Saraswati Vidyapeeth Aligarh, that is personality. There are two types of personalities. First one is outer personality. Second one is inner personality. In outer personality, let's know there are certain things which make our personality very much impressive. First of all, we must look at our body, at our hair, at our dress code. Our hair must be properly set, our face must be in a smiling mood, and there must be clothes which must be very much impressive. Overall, our including our shoes, these outer things which are displayed to others make our outer personality. Our way of walking, our way of talking, our different activities which are through our this body, which are physical activities, make our personality very much impressive. On the other hand, there is inner personality. In inner personality, there are a number of qualities of the persons. There is the quality of dedication, devotion, honesty, hard work, and different types of things which are related to our behavior. How should we behave with others? How should talk with others? How should uh, do our works properly in time? And those particular works which may please others. And if we do such types of works which please others, definitely we will also be happy and glad, joyful at our heart. And along with this, the theme of this month, personality, there are sanskars of this month. There are four sanskars of this month. First one is caring, second one is sharing, third is smiling, and fourth is kindness. In first point, there is caring. We all must be caring by nature. We must care others. We must care the things. We must care our books. We must care our teaching. Means at each and every step we must be caring. If we care others, others will care us. Second one, that is sharing. In sharing, we all have to know, we have to share sorrows, sufferings of others. We have to share joys of others. If we share joys and sorrows of others, definitely others will also share our joys and sorrows. Next one, third point, that is smiling. We must be actually smiling in mood. On our face there must be dancing smile, and that particular smile may please others. It doesn't cost anything, it costs nothing. Therefore, we must not be miser in passing a smile to others. And if we follow this quality, this virtue of character in life, definitely we may be happy and we may please others by this quality of smiling. And fourth point, that is kindness. We must be very much kind to others, to human beings, to children, to animals, to birds, to flora and fauna. We must have our hearts filled with joy of human kindness, milk of human kindness. I hope these 5 points. First one is personality. Second one, that is the point of sanskars. 4 points of sanskars. These 4 points are caring, sharing, smiling, and kindness. Let us follow these 5 points in our day-to-day life so that our life may be very much successful, very smart, and very impressive for others. Let's serve the nation by these qualities. Following these qualities, I would like to say thank you very much for this for listening me. Thank you.